120 miles an hour, this pursuit on the 605 freeway southbound. Can you kill the landing light? Thank you. California Highway Patrol in pursuit of a stolen vehicle. Look how fast this guy is going, 100 up to 120 miles an hour. Started on the 60 freeway, actually on the 57 freeway. Made his way to the 60 freeway, and look at the speed on this. Oh, it's all across lanes, losing control, almost hit that car right there. Unbelievable control at this rate of speed, swerving in and out of lanes like that. He only has a second or two to decide what to do before he hits another vehicle, and almost did a couple times there. There's a CHP unit. Oh, he cuts that CHP unit off. A very dangerous high-speed chase, splitting those cars right there between that big rig and continuing on southbound, coming up to the 5 freeway. He just was on the 60 freeway just about a minute or two ago, and now he's almost to the 5 freeway. Wow, very dangerous pursuit here. As the suspect, we believe there's 2 occupants in the vehicle. .605 freeway, passing Slauson, 100 miles an hour, weaving in and out of traffic here. A lot of traffic out here right now on the 605, approaching that 5 freeway. He's got some options ahead of him as to what freeways he can take, but CHP is really scrambling to get behind this guy. They got an airship overhead. That's good news. They're going to track him that way, but again, units on the freeway, he's actually passing them. We saw that just a minute ago where he cut off that CHP driver. Whoa, he goes rolling between those trucks. Unbelievable speed. News Chopper 4, the only news helicopter over this pursuit right now as he continues going into the Norwalk area on the 605 freeway, approaching the 5 now at a high rate of speed. We're doing 105 miles an hour. Oh man, in and out of traffic at this rate of speed. He really does have just moments to decide what to do. A very dangerous situation for all these drivers out here on the 605 freeway. He's splitting lanes, he's going in between cars, he's cutting off the California Highway Patrol, the units that are trying to get in position for the pursuit, and he's just hammering this gas pedal. Unbelievable speeds. Florence, he's passing Florence. Look at him taking all the lanes, using all lanes of the freeway to get around all the other cars out here. Oh, wow. Look at the speed. We're doing 117 miles an hour and barely keeping up with this guy. Approaching the 105 now on the southbound 605. He will have an option there to take that 105 to the west. Let's see if he does it. He's in the slow lane. He could do it. But at this rate of speed, he may not handle that turn when he gets onto the freeway if he chooses to do so. Here's a look at the traffic up ahead as this guy continues 120 miles an hour. The airship overhead. And he looks like he's going to be exiting here. Let's see. He's exiting at a high rate of speed. Oh, this cannot be good. Traffic ahead of him. Oh, he slams into that car. He goes across the dirt. He's losing control. He rolls it. He rolls it off the freeway several times. This car rolled it, hitting a car off the off-ramp and rolling it to a stop here several times. California Highway Patrol trying to get in position. I see a passenger door open. Here comes one person out. Here comes the second person out. They're both running. Unbelievable that they survived that crash. They're in the trees now. I got one running there going towards the freeway. We're going to try to get around the other side. They don't know where to go. They have nowhere to go. They're in those trees there. Airship has them in sight, and they're going to nestle in those trees right now. Nowhere to go. They got the freeway on the left-hand side and on-ramp there on the right-hand side. Unbelievable that these two got out and ran. Were able to run from that rollover crash. It rolled over several times. And there they go. They made it across the on-ramp. It looks like a female and a male. This is the Rosecrans off-ramp. There's the female running. Lost sight of the male. We're going to try to get around. You can see officers with flashlights chasing them down. We'll see if they catch up to one or the other, but let's see if we can get maybe Alec, we can get around the other side of these trees. And look at this, they're coming right up to the female. Got her on the ground right there. I believe that's the female, in custody now. Looking for the second suspect. An unbelievable chase, coming off that Rosecrans off-ramp at such a high rate of speed, clipping a car, flipping over in the dirt several times, and then... Go ahead. And go ahead, Jack, go ahead. What? Okay, Jack, understood. Lead at 11. Thank you. Okay, so we got one in custody, the female. Looking for the male. Somehow that suspect, the male, has escaped. We lost track of him under the trees. Don't know if it's the driver or not. They both came out the passenger side. But I think early on in the pursuit, I think they said it was a male driver. A woman in custody, man outstanding. We're the only ones, right, Alec? We're exclusive. I do, thank you, I got IP. Search on for the male. We believe the male was the driver. You know, you can, let's see, let's look at the car. There's the car. So let's orbit around and try to get the best shot of the car. I do hear you, Andrew. Here's the shot right here. This will probably be good. Yeah, this is a good shot. I hear you. No, we are in Norwalk. Rosecrans off ramp. It's the 605 southbound Rosecrans off ramp where he rolled it. Yeah, this is a good spot, and then we'll continue to search for this guy. I got him running here. That might be him right there. How far out are those other guys? Here's the rest of the driver. Here's the rest of the driver. He's in the trees right now, but they're going to walk him out here in a minute. Backboard in here to bring him out.
We got enough, you know, we got him on the ground. Let's say 15 minutes to put it down.
What was that?
You know, I think we've got enough personally. I don't want to wait 20 or 30 minutes for the fire department, you know, the medics and all that crap. I think we've got enough.
Okay, they're rolling the gurney in here, but they still might take a while to lift him up. So if you'd like, we'll depart.
Give it a couple of minutes. Once they load him on the gurney, that'll be it. We'll get out of there.
Okay, sounds good. Well, maybe they're going to put him in there right away. Really? Oh, no, no, no!
We have a suspect running. Oh, this is gonna be close.
To watch more heart-stopping car chases happening across Southern California, subscribe here. Thanks for watching. The chase is on.